How to cancel Uber Eats order. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can cancel your Uber Eats order, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now canceling your Uber Eats order is actually quite very simple. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Uber application. Now first of all, it also depends upon what stage the order is in, because if the order has already been started to be preparing, in that case you can't cancel it. Even if you were to cancel it, you will most likely incur a certain amount of fee. So in order to help solve this, if you're lucky, if it's only been like a minute or two since you ordered, you can simply cancel it by also coming to the account option from the bottom right of the screen here. Then after you have done that, you'll simply go to the options tab known as orders. So tap on the orders button. Then here you'll find the orders that you have selected. If it's eligible for cancellation, you'll also find the cancel button there. That's all it takes to cancel your Uber Eats order. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.